Okay, student. In this lecture, we are going to start exercise 5, which is given in our textbook, page number 50. Instruction as usual: to which account the following transaction will be debited and credited in the books of Nilima, describe with reason. So, starting with which columns are kept. Okay, in number 1, rupees 75,000 brought in cash and commence business. Student, who brought cash in business? Owner. And here cash brought means cash comes in. Cash is a real account. So do you remember which columns are kept in debit effect? Or debit effect include debit the receiver. This is rule of personal account. Debit what comes in, rule of real account. Debit expense and losses, rule of nominal account. Here credit effect. According to rule of personal account, credit the giver. So this is rule of personal account. Credit what goes out, rule of real account. And credit income and gain, nominal account. Okay, 75,000 brought in cash. So cash comes in and cash is a real account. So debited to cash account. Debited to cash account, right? And what will be second effect? So what is sources of cash? Here cash brought by owner into the business, and owner is a person. So when person means owner is giver, in that case credited to personal account. Which personal account? Or credited to capital account. Student, remember that when owner is giver, credited to capital account. Incurred puja expense of rupees 2,000. Students, sometime businessmen incurred puja expense at the time of inauguration or opening of the shop. So this expense treated as a business expense, and it is termed as sundry expense account. Sundry. So it is an expense, no effect on nominal account, debited to sundry expense account. SUNDRY, sundry expense account. Understand? And what will be credit effect? So here incurred means paid. Incurred means paid. Paid in cash. Cash is a real account. Credited to cash account. Credited to cash account. Cash goes out. Number 3, brought furniture of rupees 10,000. Student, brought, not bought, not purchase. Brought. Who brought furniture into business? Owner. And furniture comes in. So for debit what comes in? So first is furniture is a real account, debited to furniture account. Debited to furniture account, right? And what which account credited? So here owner brought furniture. Student, brought means bring. So owner is giver, effect on capital account, and owner is a person. So credited to capital account. Credited to capital account. Understand? Deposited 3,000 to the State Bank of India. State Bank is a bank and bank is a person. When we deposited money into bank is receiver. Debit the receiver. So effect on personal account, debited to bank account. Debited to bank account. Okay, what will be credit effect? Student, be careful. One debit effect and another credit effect. So here cash deposited into bank, cash goes out. Cash is a real account. So credited to cash account. Credited to cash account. Number 5, obtain loan of rupees 30,000 from wife. Be careful here, loan obtained from wife. So according to business concept, business has separate entity, businessman has separate entity. So this loan taken from wife, and wife is a person. So first effect, cash comes in, right? Because loan always obtained through cash. Okay, here cash comes in. Cash is a real account. So debited to cash account. Debited to cash account, right? And wife is a person. So personal account affected, wife is giver. So credited to, not wife account, credited to wife's loan account, apostrophe S, loan account affected student. Always. Purchase is made of rupees 20,000 in amount paid by check. Here goods, purchase means goods. Goods comes in and goods is a real account. So real account column is second column, debited to purchase account, debited to purchase account. And student, here payment is made by check. When check is given, effect on bank account, always remember that, because amount of check always paid by bank. So bank is a person, effect on bank account, bank is giver. So credited to bank account, credited to bank account, right? Number 7, sales is made rupees 42,000 and amount is received by check. We have sold goods to customer and customer gave check, and this check is deposited into the bank and bank is receiver. So first debited to bank account, our bank is receiver, debited to bank account. Check word connected with bank, debited to bank account, and this is sales. Student, sales means goods. Goods go out and goods is a real account. So credited to sales account because goods go out. Withdraw rupees 22,000 from bank. Student, go to the bank and amount withdrawn from bank. So when amount withdrawn from bank, then cash comes in. Cash is a real account. So first effect, debited to cash account. And what will be second effect? Here bank is giver. Student, bank is a person, effect on bank account, credited to bank account, credited to bank account. Understand? Number 9, rupees 2,000 paid insurance premium by check. Insurance premium means what? The businessman take insurance policy for protection of loss of goods and loss of assets. So this is treated as an expense of the business. So insurance premium is a nominal account. It is an expense, debited to insurance premium account, debited to insurance premium account. Understand? And what will be credit effect? It is paid by check, student. When check is issued, our bank is giver and bank is a person. So credited to bank account, credited to bank account. Understand? Number 10, to be continue. Rupees 3,500 receive for brokerage. Student, receive means receive in cash. So first effect, cash comes in, right? Personal, real, nominal. Cash is a real account, debited to cash account, debited to cash account, right? And credit effect, personal, real, nominal. Here receive for brokerage. Brokerage indicates income. Income means nominal account. So nominal account column, credited to brokerage account, credited to brokerage account. Understand? Okay. Goods of rupees 12,000 sold to Dani. Amount received by check. Student, this is cash transaction. Check received. Check means bank. This check is deposited in bank. Bank is a person. So debited to bank account, debited to bank account. And what will be second effect? So goods sold, goods go out. Goods is a real account. So credited to sales account, credited to sales account. Understand? Yes. Debited to bank account, credit to sales account. Goods of 8,000 purchased from Deepak, amount paid by check. Again, student, this is cash transaction, and in cash transaction, personal account not affected, right? Do you know that Dani account is not affected? Same thing here, Deepak account is not affected because goods purchase and amount is paid by check. Goods come in. Goods is a real account, debited to purchase account, debited to purchase account, and against purchase we have amount paid by check. And when check word given, it is effect on bank. Bank is a person. So credited to bank account because bank is giver. Bank is giver, credited to bank account. Withdrawn rupees 2500 from bank for personal use. Students, sometime owner withdraw money from business bank account for his personal use. So here owner is receiver. Owner is receiver, and when owner is receiver, effect on drawing account. And drawing is a personal account. So in personal account column, debited to drawing account. Debited to drawings account. Right? And what will be credit effect? So here bank is giver, student, because owner withdraw cash from bank. Bank is giver. Bank is a personal account. So credited to bank account. Credited to bank account. Understand? Number 14. Withdrawn goods of rupees 1500 from business for his personal use. Student, here goods. Okay, in 13 number there is a correction. Withdrawn 2500 from business for personal use. So here bank account not affected, student. Sorry, here bank is not affected. One correction, because business owner withdraw cash from business. So here business cash decrease, cash goes out, and cash is a real account. So credited to cash account, student, be careful, credited to cash account. This amount withdrawn from bank, if the amount withdrawn from bank, business bank, then bank account is credited, but here amount withdrawn from business, so cash goes out, credited to cash account. Okay, again withdrawn goods from business, student, goods. When owner is withdraw goods or cash, in both the cases owner is receiver. Debited to drawing account because owner is a person is receiver. Debited to drawings account. Okay, and which account credited, student? Here goods go out, so goods is a real account. When goods go out by other way, withdrawn is other way, so credited to purchase account. When goods go out by other way, it is credited to purchase account, student. Number 15. Dividend received rupees 2000 through check. Check is deposited with the bank. Student, here dividend is an income, and this income received by check. So when check is deposited in bank, bank is receiver. Bank is receiver. Bank is a person. So debited to bank account. Debited to bank account, right? And the student, dividend received is an income. So income means nominal account. So credited to dividend account. Which account credited? Credited to dividend account. Credited to dividend account. Understand? Okay. Bank has credited rupees 200 of interest. Students, sometime there is a bank balance in our account. So bank has credited interest on bank balance. So it is an income, and this amount not received in cash. This amount credited in our bank account. So our bank account is giver the benefit. Sorry, bank account receive the benefit. So here bank is receiver, student. First effect, personal account effect. Bank is a person. Debited to bank account because our bank account receiver the benefit, right? And bank interest is an income. Income is credited. So effect on nominal account. So credited to bank interest account. Credited to bank interest account. Understand? Okay. Number 17. Bank has debited rupees 100 of bank charges. Sometime bank charge some expense for SMS service, any other services. So bank charges is an expense. Bank charges is an expense. Expense means nominal account. So debited to bank charges account. Debited to bank charges account, right? And what will be second effect? Our bank account is giver the benefit. Credit the giver. So bank balance reduce. So credited to bank account because bank is a person. Credited to bank account, right? Okay. Number 18. Wages paid rupees 300. Student, wages paid means expense. Expense means nominal account. So in the column of nominal account, debited to wages account. And student, paid word indicate that paid in cash. Paid in cash. So cash goes out. Cash is a real account. So credited to cash account. Credited to cash account. Understand? Paid loan interest rupees 350. Paid loan interest is an expense. Expense means debit expenses. Rule of nominal account. So debited to loan interest account. Loan interest account, right? And it is paid by cash. So cash goes out. Cash is a real account. Credited to cash account because cash goes out. Last, number 20, machine purchase. Machine comes in because machine is an asset. An asset means real account. So debited to machine account. Debited to machine account. And this machine purchase for cash. So cash goes out and cash is a real account. So credited to cash account. Understand? So student, again I will say you, it is difficult task, more practice required. So watch video again and again and try to solve the problem yourself, then you can understand very well. Okay, thank you very much.